Here's how lenses work in Qli. This is a space that's already set up with a populated unit. In Qli, you have a Slack-style chat box where you can talk about the work at hand. Then you head over to the Ask Orbit button. By default, it's set to the Orbit chat box, but you can switch to the Lenses view. Lenses let you see your work in different ways within any space. For example, you can look at things like decisions, action items, risks, opportunities, and more. You can also expand this view to see things like open questions and next steps. The idea is that everything in your space, attachments, meetings, chats, estimations, documents, diagrams, all of it is context for that unit. Orbit takes all of that and synthesizes the important information for you using lenses. In the coming months, you'll be able to build your own lenses. Not just decisions, action items, or risks, but something specific to how your team works. As a product manager, you can build lenses for what you care about. As an engineering manager, you can focus on engineering updates and create lenses for those. As a leader, you can focus on high-level updates. That way, from the same space, everyone can view the work through their own lens. It gives you better visibility and makes it easier to stay on top of your work, especially with the amount of context being created with AI today. So here are the decisions. The system also shows you the signal that influenced this lens. In this case, it was a message. You can also go in and set the priority. You can see it's pulled from two different messages in the thread. That's where the information comes from. You can ask follow-up questions about it, push it as its own unit in the space, or mark it as resolved. You can even schedule a meeting around any item. For example, you can schedule a meeting around this decision. Throughout the lifecycle of the space, any action item that comes up from meetings or chat shows up here too. Same thing with risks. You can set the priority for those as well. Same goes for opportunities and more. One great addition is the lens map. This gives you a way to see all your lenses and how they connect to each other. For example, you can choose to focus on a specific decision. You can see exactly what it's connected to, including the assets linked to it. You can do this for any item. Here's an action item that's directly connected to a specific message. That message is the signal influencing it. And that same message is influencing multiple things at once. One signal, 3 or 4 different outputs. This is just a way to get a clear picture of everything in a single view. Action items over here, opportunities over here. Qli is currently free to explore. Visit qli.io to get started.